I want to check
All
your
right, sir.
fluency. You have been
All right,
studying.
sir.
You have been studying from me maybe 5 months or maybe more than that. Six
Yeah.
months.
Yeah.
Six
Yes, sir.
months.
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly. Almost. Almost.
you have been
Almost.
happily
You taught.
studying
Yeah.
with me 5 to 6 months.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Almost. Yeah, almost. Yeah. Yes. Almost. Almost 5 and 6 months. We have complete, sir. We have
absolutely.
complete.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir.
we have
Exactly.
completed.
I'm very happy,
We have
sir.
completed.
We have completed,
Yeah.
sir. We have completed, sir. Because I am very
Yes.
happy
Yeah.
because I found
Mm,
you good guides and good teacher in my life,
yeah.
sir. In my
Absolutely.
life. That's why I'm very happy, sir. I'm very happy. Whenever connect with you, sir, I'm very happy, sir. I'm very happy. Everything I
Sweet.
forgot. Everything I forgot. Only my mind is post the user because
Sweet.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy,
Sweet.
sir. Very happy,
Sweet.
sir. Very
Absolutely.
happy. Yes,
Absolutely.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
wh-
Because
what
yes,
you
sir.
what's your opinion about English? What's your opinion about
Yes,
English?
yes, sir.
That
Yes, sir. Yes.
a
English,
person
sir.
can a person can
Yes,
learn English
yes, you are.
without trainer or not?
Yeah,
Or what's your opinion
exactly,
about
sir.
this?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, sir. I don't have any planning, any plan, any opinion, big dream. I
Mm,
just want to learn, sir. I just want
okay.
to, it is the language. It is the language. It is language. That's why I want to just learn, sir. Just
Okay.
learn, sir. Just learn.
Just what do you mean, just
Because,
learn? What's your
yeah, oh, yeah,
purpose? Tell me your
yeah,
purpose exactly.
yeah, yeah. I want to talk proper English. I want to talk proper English.
Okay.
English spoken. Yeah, that's why I learned, sir. That's why
Okay.
I learned from you, sir. That's why it
Okay.
is
So
my
before
dream is my purpose, sir.
okay.
Because yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Before
Yes, sir.
that,
Exactly.
you give me your introduction. You give me
Yes,
and
sir.
give the other. I know
Absolutely.
you, I know
A-
you, but people they don't know about
Absolutely.
you. So you introduce
Absolutely.
yourself that who
Yes,
you
sir.
are.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Absolutely correct, sir.
Yeah.
Correct, sir. Correct. You are
Mm,
correct, sir. Yeah. Thank you for, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Prem Khale. You can call me Prem, sir. You can call me Prem. I'm
mm,
basically from Nepal, but I am living in Dubai, sir, right now. My work purpose. That's why I am living here in Dubai, sir. I am
okay.
calling from Dubai right now, sir. Currently,
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
that's it, sir.
Yeah.
That's it, sir. That's it, sir. That's it.
Absolutely. So what's your
Yes, sir. Yes,
designation?
sir.
What do you do? What's your
Yeah,
designation? What do you
yeah. I am working in administration department as a assistant campus.
excellent.
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, my company project work is road construction company in
Okay.
Dubai, road
Yeah.
and pipeline. It
Okay.
means construction company, sir.
Okay.
It means construction company.
It's yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
So I have been working here in this company for 6 years, sir. I have been
Wow.
working in this company for
Yeah.
6 years. 6 years.
Yeah.
I am running
Yeah.
6 years, sir,
Yes.
right now.
Absolutely. Yeah. Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
as
Yes,
a
sir.
as a camp
Yes, sir.
boss,
Yes, sir.
what's your job
Yeah.
responsibility? What do you have to do
y-
to protect? What do you
Exactly,
protect?
sir.
Or as a camp boss,
Yes, sir.
what's your
Yes,
job
sir.
role in a company?
Yeah. Absolutely, sir. I am telling. I need to protect employees, sir. So we have here four, 400 employees allocated in my camp. So I need
Mm,
to do their work, sir. I need to, like example, for I need to distribute their documents, sir. you know, then attend their, daily routines, how to they save, how to they protect. So I need to do their work, sir. Their work, sir. Their work. This is the campus work in as a campus work, sir.
Okay, so in other term, you are their supervisor. You are taking care of
Yeah,
them, maybe.
yeah. As a supervisor, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. You are telling
Not
correct, sir.
normal term. Normal term, because
Yeah,
in India, we
yeah,
people are not familiar with the word of Cambos. We have no
hmm,
idea. In India,
yeah.
we people are not familiar with the word camp boss. So basically, we would say that you are a supervisor of a people, that you are taking care of them, their documentation actually.
Exactly, sir. Absolutely correct, sir.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct, sir. You
See,
are telling correct, sir. Correct, sir. Exactly. Absolutely correct, sir. I
I
need to
see.
do their works. I need to protect them. We need to solve their problem, sir.
Uh,
It means implies problem. I need to
okay.
solve into implies a problem, sir. So I need to the implies problem. I need to attend, sir, day by days, 24 hours. I need to attend them, sir. Their work, sir. Whatever they have, whenever they play, like any issue. So like food and camp accommodations and air conditions room wise. I need to the attend their problem. Then I need to the solve their problem, sir. This
Yeah.
is the campus,
Okay.
as campus work, sir. In the
Mm,
camp, sir.
okay.
This is the work in campus work, sir.
Okay.
So we have
So,
so many employees living in camp. More than
mm,
3,000, sir. 3,000.
mhm, more than 3,000.
3,000.
How many under
Yeah,
you?
yes.
How many under you? How
Yeah,
many under you?
all of, sir, all. I need to do the all of employees, for all of
Okay.
employees, because
Okay.
we are we have here teams. Not only me, more than two colleague. We have my colleague
Okay.
two,
Mm,
two
mm,
or more than 2% is
okay.
working
Yeah,
here. So we
I
need
see.
to we are working together here.
Okay.
This is the
Okay.
condition in camp, sir.
Mm,
This is
okay.
the
So,
conditions.
all of the employees are local, or they are foreigner. Foreigner in a sense, expatriate. They are expatriate or local people work in a company.
No, no, sir. It is all foreigners, all foreigners.
Foreigners.
Yeah,
Foreigners.
foreign people, sir. Foreign
Uh,
people, yeah,
from
yeah.
where? Where they are
From
majority of the people.
mostly of India, part of India, Andhra Pradesh, sir. Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh.
I see.
Andhra Pradesh, yeah,
I
Andhra
see.
Pradesh,
I see.
and we have so many, like the North Indian and South Indian, so many. Almost
Okay.
our Indian brothers work here, sir.
I see.
Almost Indian
Okay.
brothers work, sir,
Yes.
like labor to senior staff, sir.
Okay.
It's senior staff, like
Level to
driver,
senior.
operator, yeah, labors. Sir. We have the construction company is there are so many works.
I
So
see.
many
Yeah.
missionary. We need to
Yeah.
use so many missionary, so many
Okay.
vehicles.
Mm,
So many
yeah.
transportation.
Yeah.
They need there are need so many manpowers site
Okay.
wise. The project according project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why yeah, that's why we have the big. It means it is the big company in the Dubai, sir.
Good.
Big
I see.
company, yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
I see.
Millions, not thousands, the millions project.
Really? Million
Yeah, the
dollar
company put
project.
the
They
millions
have
there.
dollar
Yes,
projects in the
yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah,
okay.
like 10 millions, like 15 millions,
Mhm.
15 millions, like 20 millions. They put that kind of project, sir.
Really
Project, sir. Yes, sir.
unbelievable.
Yes, sir. Because it is
Unbelievable.
we say it is the international company in Dubai
Okay.
as
Okay.
a construction, sir. As a construction.
in a
We
construction field,
have good
number one.
facility. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Number
Yeah.
one, we have the very good the company. We
Mm,
provide the good facility, sir.
okay.
It means for insurance. Per person, the company provides the insurance, sir. Whatever the likes labors to staff, sir.
Okay. Okay. Absolutely.
That kind of the
Absolutely.
yeah. The like salary, you are gratuity, like annual leaves. They
Mm,
paid the proper, sir. They
okay.
paid the proper our company. Uh,
So how many
they
hour
no.
how, how many hour job do you get from them? How many hour job? Like,
Yeah, here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we have the section wise, sir. Section
okay.
wise,
Okay.
like department, according to department, sir.
Okay.
What kind of
Okay.
likes, sir, labors and foreman, like site engineer, site PM, site timekeeper,
Mm,
like the section
okay.
wise, sir.
An
According, it
example.
means your duty, like at 10 and 12 hours, you need to work per days,
Okay.
per days,
10 and
per days.
okay, 10
10
and
and
12 hours.
yeah, 12 hours, yeah.
Do
Then
they
you
do
get,
they
yeah,
they paying
then you get
doing
the according that, yeah, then you get the according your duty, duty
overtime?
house salary.
Overtime maybe.
Yeah, OT
Overtime.
plus OT. Normal days is the 8 hours, sir. 8 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. If you work more than 8 hours, you will
Yeah.
get the OT overtime, sir.
Okay.
Overtime. Count the
Overtime.
overtime, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Count the overtime, sir.
And
Overtime.
and what about
Yeah.
the
If
weekly
yeah,
leave?
yeah, weekly leave is the work according work. If
Okay.
you have work, you can work you need to work continue, sir. If you don't have the work your sections, you can take the leave,
Okay.
off. Otherwise,
Mhm.
you can work. Then
Okay.
pay the company OT, sir.
Okay.
Every off days, every holiday, the paid overtime, sir.
Okay.
Overtime. Count the overtime, sir.
Very,
Overtime.
very good. And
That's
what
why it's
about
a
the
very good, yeah.
food?
That's why it's a very good company, sir.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want to know food,
yeah,
transportation, health insurance,
yeah.
incentives, aid
Exactly.
visa, leave. What about all these things?
All the paid the company, sir. No need to own, sir. All paid company, sir. No need to the owns.
Okay,
We
so this
don't
is
need
very
to
nice
pay, sir.
company.
We don't need to pay, sir.
I
All
get.
paid, all about it about all paid the company,
Yeah,
sir.
company pays,
We
company
just do the
pays to their
only duty, sir. We
youth.
just need to the do only duty. Yeah,
Yeah.
work
Okay.
only work,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
According your section, according your size, according your work,
Okay.
because
Yeah.
there are allocated the work section
Okay.
wise work, sir. Section
Okay.
wise works like you work the labor sections, then staff sections, whatever you
Okay.
have, you are according your site wise, sir.
Excuse me.
Site wise. Yes, sir.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
please. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
how do you deal with them? Do you know Hindi? Do you speak Hindi? Do you deal with them in Hindi or Andhra? Majority of the Andhra people they can't speak English, Hindi and
Yeah,
English. Maybe English, I don't know
yeah.
exactly,
Eh,
but they won't be able to, like, they cannot speak Hindi. So how do you deal with those people?
yes, yes. Almost they learn the Hindi, sir. Whenever they
Okay.
come here, almost
Yeah.
they learn the Hindi. That's why we talk
Okay.
the Hindi, sir. Almost we talk
Very
the
good.
Hindi. We talk the Hindi, sir.
Very good.
We
Then,
talk the
as you
Hindi.
as you
Hindi.
as you told
Even
me.
though here,
Mm, go ahead.
local Arabi, the UA population speak the Hindi, sir. Nowadays,
Really?
they learn the Hindi because they face the very difficult whatever the whenever some case like
Yeah.
police case,
Yeah.
immigration case,
Yeah.
the they don't know the English, they don't
I see.
speak the English. That's why
Okay.
they face the so difficult. That's why
Okay.
the local person also learn the Hindi, sir. That's why
Okay.
nowadays in the UA speak Hindi, sir.
I see.
Almost place, almost area, almost sector. almost
Okay.
sector. Yes, sir. Because almost foreign people is from our Indian brothers, Indian
I
brothers, sir.
see. See.
That's
So
why. That's why.
as you earlier demonstrate, or as you earlier illustrate your point with that from top to the bottom, majority or entire the Indian management are there. So
Yes.
what do you need? Why you are learning English? What is your need? Do you talk, or do you do you communicate or
Yeah.
correspond with your management in Hindi or in
Yeah.
English?
Yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But we
What
can
is
talk.
the
We can talk Hindi. Yeah, exactly, sir. I got your point, sir. Almost talk the Hindi, sir, here. But whenever you write the emails, read and emails,
mm,
sir, emails. We need the English, sir,
okay.
English.
Mhm.
We need to the
Okay.
reply, right? Whatever you write, whenever you the emails. Then
Mm,
whenever you talk the seniors, we need
yeah,
to the English, sir. That's why
yeah.
I'm learning this language, sir, because I am poor this language earlier. But nowadays I can speak little bit, not
Yeah.
12, sir, little
Yeah.
bit, sir, little bit.
Okay.
I can say the little bit, sir.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we need to whenever we talk
Mm,
with management like seniors officer,
mm,
we have the
mm.
here the section wise, sir. So
Okay.
whenever I need to talk to, so I need to English, sir. I need to
Okay.
speak English with them.
Okay.
That's why
Okay.
I learned English, sir. I learned English spoken, sir.
Okay. Okay.
This is the mind. Yeah, this.
Where do
Yeah.
you see yourself regarding English? That where you are? You consider yourself beginner, intermediate, or where do you see yourself currently? And where did you see
Yeah.
yourself 5 months
Yeah.
before?
Yeah.
What's your opinion? How
Yeah.
much English you?
Yeah. Nowadays I'm a medium. I
Yeah.
think now I.
Yeah,
I
I
think
see.
medium, sir.
I
Earlier I can't speak, sir. I can't speak.
couldn't.
Couldn't speak, sir.
Yeah.
I couldn't speak, sir.
Yeah.
Earlier I couldn't speak.
Yeah.
I was read some books,
Yeah.
but I couldn't speak. I couldn't
Yeah.
explain. I couldn't how to read, how to explain. I don't know, sir. I don't know. I didn't know that time, sir.
Yeah.
But nowadays I can read. I can speak, sir,
Yeah.
little bit. That's
Yeah.
why I feel. I think I am the now. The
Yeah.
intermediate, intermediate,
Yeah.
intermediate, sir.
So it's mean
Yes, sir.
you are on the level that where you can explain, you can put front of the people your thought, your expression. Now you are on the level. Although you are making minor mistakes still in
Yes, sir. Yes,
between
sir. Yes, sir.
regarding grammar, it will
Yes,
be
sir. Yes, sir.
fine.
Yes, sir.
It will
Yes,
be
sir. I will
fine.
try.
No
I will
problem.
do, sir. I will do, sir. I will
I
do, sir.
see. Yeah,
I will do,
I can
sir.
see you are doing.
I will do.
I you are the
I
you are
will do.
my
I will practice. Yeah. Yes,
yeah.
sir. I know, sir. I know. I know. I know, sir. I know. I know. I know, sir. I know.
Yeah, yes,
Not.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
I'm. Yeah. I'm. I am. I did the minor mistake, sir. I can't speak proper
No,
now.
no,
Also
yeah,
now. Yes,
I'm
sir.
not saying, I'm not saying, and I didn't say that you didn't speak proper. You spoke properly, but the thing is that need to be improved.
Yeah.
Need,
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely
yeah,
correct, sir.
yeah,
You
yeah.
are
I
telling
didn't
correct,
say
sir.
like that. That you didn't
Yes, sir.
speak properly.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir. Yes,
spoke
sir.
properly,
I
but you
can,
made
sir.
a minor mistake as well.
Yes,
You
sir.
know,
Yes. Yes,
yeah,
sir. Yes, sir. Exactly. Exactly,
but
sir. Exactly. Exactly.
but
I
it
know,
is
sir. I know.
appreciable. It
I
is
agree with you, sir.
appreciable.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. You
I
must
agree
be,
with you, sir. I agree with
must be, sir.
you. You are my teacher.
Ah,
You are my teacher, sir. That's why I'm agree, sir. That's why I'm agree, sir. 100% I no doubt, sir. I'm agree, sir. I will do, sir. I will do my best, sir. I'll do my best, more and more, sir.
absolutely.
I'll do my best